record the screen on your iPhone. Have you ever been in a situation where somebody's rung you up and said, I'm really struggling to find a setting or change something on the phone? For example, you might have a mate who's about to go to the races, wants to shoot some video in 4K, and today we'll show you how to make that happen on your phone. Right. Now I'm going to show you, using Screen Record, how to turn on the screen recording feature on your iPhone. You're going to Settings, into Control Center, Customize Controls, and from the list down here you'll see the screen recording. Just add that, come out of Control Panel, and when you swipe up to get the Control Center at the bottom, you'll see the screen recording button. You can then use this to show people how to record in 4K by going to Camera, Record Video, 4K at 30 frames per second. And that's how you record a screen on an iPhone. Thanks very much for watching.